Welcome to LeonCo and welcome to your weekly financial persona. Welcome to LeonCo, and on this week's financial persona, we'll be talking about Azim Premji. Azim Premji has a net worth of $8 billion. He was born on July 24th, 1945, and he is the chairman of Wipro Limited. When Azim was studying in Stanford in 1966, he left the university to join his family business in the cooking oil industry. Later on, when his father passed away, he took control of this company and later funded Wipro Technology Limited, which is one of the big companies in Silicon Valley that dedicates itself to technology and innovation. Later on, 2019, he stepped down from his chairman position in the company and left his son Rishad to take control of the Wipro company. In April 2020, he was one of the people who vowed to provide millions of dollars towards the COVID-19 humanitarian situation. This has been your weekly financial persona. Stay safe, stay healthy, and always remember to have that king mentality.